I'm gonna go dump you. Ready? This is my gun off the start.
Wait, where's the other one? Both of them?
Yeah, they were starting at both.
They better be running.
I'm gonna guard that hallway until as long as I can.
Left. Yellow. Yellow. Yellow, yellow. Yellow. Watch for me. Watch, I pushed all the way up, yo. Took 2 of them out. Get ready, they're coming through the hole any second. Watch that hole. Friendly, friendly. Yellow. You're good. Let's go. Andre, I'm gonna come up, cover me. Cover that door right now. Watch it, watch it, watch it. Don't cross, don't cross, don't cross. They're down the hall right now, they're down the hall right ahead of you.
Dead man.
Yellow! Yellow! Yellow, come quick! Yellow! Oh shit! Oh shit! Hold that shit. Yo, I was just in their spawn. Hold up. They're coming to you. No? Yellow! Hi! You wanna rotate?
Yeah.
They know you're here?
No.
No?
I didn't see the red
Yellow! Oh, I got you? Oh, that's yellow, I'm sorry. Sorry. Watch it. You're good, watch it, be careful. I got you right. Get him! Get him! They know I'm there. See if I can get him quick. Fuck did that come? Woo! So much shooting hard. Hey, are you ready?
Yeah.
Go down the ramp and aim off the ramp, down low. Watch yourself when you go around.
Yeah.
He's close to the right. Close to the right. Watch him move in center. Still down here? Yellow?
Yeah.
Watch it. Here.
It's tough for me to see anything from away.
Alright, ready? Might die doing
He
this.
was like right to the right.
I want to try it. Distract him. I'm gonna go high. Just start firing. I got nothing down there. I'm moving around. Yo. Anything?
No.
Yellow. Careful, they're down there. They're down there.
Move up slow. Here.
I'll cover you from up high. Hey, Andre, move quick. I got you, Andre. Go, Andre. Andre, on the right.
Stay there. Stay there.
Yo, yellow. Yo, yellow, follow me. We're gonna move close, all right?
Okay, yeah.
Stay mad close. Stay mad close. You ready?
Yep.
Yellow.
Go.
Go, 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 go. Take it, take it. Too hard. Right behind you, man. You die, I die. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Go around. Go around. Go around. Come on. He's on the left. He's on the left. I really got him. Go. Take left. Take left. Take left. Take left. Take left. No.
Dead man.
Go with Andre. Go with Andre. Get friendly around the corner.
Dead man.
Yo, yo.
Yo, yo. Can we advance one?
Yep.
Hey, hey.
Watch it, guys. Hold that corner. Hold that corner. I got you guys back. I should. You good?
Yeah, okay.
Yellow, hold that. Noah, hold that shit. Noah, hold that. Good shot, man. Dead down the center. Dead. Dead down the center.
I'm a lot better left. I'm righty, so I'm about a lot better. Go up, right side.
Yeah, I got you. I'll pay attention to that. Fucking running across the map. Want to do something crazy?
Yeah.
Follow me. Sprint. Follow me. Go up right. Go up right. Go up right. Take it, guys. Take it. Take it. Yellow on the right. Go yellow. Go yellow. Yep.
You got.
Nothing.
I'm sorry. We're not in that.
Come on, drop out.
I'm dead.
Coming.
We got one left. We got one left. Okay.
Dead.
One down. Him. Let's go, Gil. Watch the door. Come to me. Hold this down. Come here. Hold this spot. Hold this spot. I'm a lefty. Yo, don't aim for heads from there. If you can. Just hold that.
How do I go through the 300 round high cap? Dead man!
You mag?
Yeah,
Come on. Again. All right, guys. Where are they at? You see him? Okay. All right, yellow. Is anyone in the hall? All right, yeah. Colin, get the hole. Watch that hole, watch that hole. How close, how close?
Line the box.
Take it, take it, take it, take it. That's Danny. Ready? Game over? Game over! Game over! No problem.
That's the fastest piece I've ever